Hi guys, my name is Tabitha. Today I'm giving you a look and review of this awning that I just got. Now, the installation process is also going to be included in this video. However, it was a little bit messy in the beginning because we did get rained out the first day that we tried putting it up. However, today we got it completed and I'm going to show you what all of that looks like and even give you some kind of tips and tricks or just some issues that we ran into. So if that's something you're interested in, just keep watching. So first things first, we had to get it unboxed. So here is how it all arrived. You've got your instructions here, that's front and back. And then you've got your hardware. They do provide some pretty heavy duty anchors and screws, as well as your other little screws that you need. And then you've got these aluminum alloy brackets that hold your shed board, as well as this adhesive strip. And then you've got your aluminum bars that go on the front and rear of the shed board. And then last but not least, you've got your shed board. Now, moving on to installation, you want to start by marking where the brackets need to go and make sure everything will be level. Then, using a hammer drill, we drilled our pilot holes, then inserted the anchors and secured them to the wall using a hammer and ratchet. Once that was done, we removed the bolts to place the first bracket and secured it to the wall. Then repeat the process for the other side, but hold off on placing the bracket. Next, we attached the rear support bar, screwing it into that one placed bracket, and then we prepared the plexi-like shed board by lining the border with the provided adhesive foam tape. This will ensure a snug fit for the brackets and the front and rear bars. After that came the challenging part. We greatly suggest having a helping hand to get the shed board placed. It could be put together on the ground first, but another set of hands would be needed to get it lifted and secured to the wall. That being said, it can be done without assistance. It just takes a lot of patience. We found that leaving the second bracket off was helpful until getting the shed board inserted in the first bracket and rear bar. Once it was well fitted there, we got it inserted into the second bracket and secured that to the wall loosely. Next, we got the shed board inserted into the front bar while simultaneously placing it into the designated slots on the brackets. Then we tightened down the second bracket to the wall and rear bar, as well as the front bar to both brackets. Then you can peel off any remaining protective sheets and expose its beauty. And then you just want to caulk or put some waterproof tape down on any gaps. All right, so there it is. I hope that that installation process gave you some helpful information as far as this product goes. Now, although installation got a little bit crazy and was just a tad bit challenging, the finished product is absolutely beautiful. And I love the functionality that this is going to give outside of our basement door. It's going to give us a space to stand and not have to worry about the rain, but it's also going to provide us with some nice shade and protection from the sun. So this is really going to help this space be a little bit more inviting and comfortable to be in. If you are in need of an awning for somewhere around your house or even like a shed or building, I do think this is a great choice, and I hope that our installation demo was helpful to you guys. So if you were looking for an awning, I would definitely give this one a try.